let's say that what's it called? There's you go to a car service, and then they're playing not kosher music. Okay,
Exactly.
you tell them to turn it off. Okay, great, you did a good job. Now this problem. This guy at the end expects a tip. I turned off the music for him. Okay, I want at least $2-3, something, right? So
No.
now,
Okay, but look, he like for that's the sort that it's not extra because I don't listen. I don't want to listen to his garbage. It's not extra.
I agree with you. I agree with you. The thing is, car service, right? He sees a lot of people. He probably sees a lot of frum Jews coming in the car, right? So because of you, there might be a problem for the other frum Jews. So
why was the problem?
Because he thinks such disrespectful Jews. Then he might think the same way about the other Jews who come into his car.
I don't think if you want to. I mean, if you ask politely, please, could you? I'm trying to concentrate. So don't give him the reason. I have a headache. This ache. Stop it. Like so, he doesn't need to know. So I mean, this music, your radio station makes me uncomfortable, basically. So could you please turn it down? He said, should I change the channel? No, don't change. I like to peace and quiet. That's it. So I mean, it's like in the middle of the summer, he turns heat on you, right? So I mean, that's not comfortable. So ask him to turn off the heat at least.
Understood.
So that's Okay. So I mean, it should be polite, and many times, like if you tell them the reasons, so that because for me, I'm from Jew, and this is like seeing this lady naked, so that's what creates a bad impression. Like these Jews are crazy. You understand? So you can give him like not exactly lie, but the reason that he would comprehend. And I like quiet. I have a very stressful day. Please, that's it. Every day in Jewish life is stressful, so you would not be lying. You understand?
Let's say, what if he is gonna have a bad impression? Because really, we can try to be polite, but you don't know how they are. So my question is,
you do your job. You have to go overboard. I mean, what exactly are you asking? That's normal.
I agree with you, but it doesn't matter how I do it. It matters what he thinks of, how I say.
No. Like, I know somebody told me, right? That before this person got divorced, right? So he was married for I don't know how many years, and he said every time, like she asked me, "Am I hungry?" I already like in my mind she wants to poison me. She's playing games like whatever she asked. He had this all of the crazy thought. So I told him, why don't you divorce? Like, unless you do something like extraordinary and change your mind, like they always fought, like, or not fought, or at least were close to fight. Because in his mind, whatever she said, he had the argument opposite. So I mean, it has nothing to do with her. It was because he was sick.